that can be on your Mac or your iPad, but you need to pick one or the other, that controls student iPads. So you can lock their screens, you can direct them and lock them into certain apps, you can view their screens. You have many different options. On the Mac and on the iPad, if you launch Self-Service, which is our school app store, and under Apple software, we have Classroom. Mine says open because it's already installed, but you would install it. And then when you want to find it again, you can go to the Launchpad or however you search for your classes. So I am going to create a class, and you do need to make a different class for every group of children sitting in front of you. So if I say library class and create, to get students to join, it's done through a Bluetooth connection. So I'm going to open this up. And we'll go through the controls in a little bit, but we're going to invite students. So when you click invite students, they need to be sitting in front of you. They have to be within Bluetooth range, Wi-Fi on, do not disturb turned off. This is what we need. So next we'll take a look at student view on the iPad.
For students to join your Apple Classroom, they don't go to a Classroom app, they go to their settings. And again, they need to make sure they're on Wi-Fi and not the guest Wi-Fi. Bluetooth has to be on, airplane mode needs to be off. Classroom will show up once you've hit invite, so I'm going to come here. And you'll see the new class invitation sitting and waiting, so they're going to select that. They will type in their name. I've done it previously, so it's in there. Enter the code provided by your teacher, so we're going to type in that code that was provided. This code changes every time you hit invite, so don't write that down. It will be irrelevant. So we're going to select add. And you will see now on my iPad it says waiting for teacher. So now we'll take a look back at the laptop and see the teacher view.
Now comes up of my student to be added. What I would generally do is let them all pop in here and then do add. And what's neat right now is you can see this is the app that's active on my iPad. If I want to see screens, I click screens. I can double tap to make this larger and see what that student's doing. I have the ability to navigate them to an app or a link, which I'll go into in detail. I can lock their iPad screen. I can mute the sound on their iPad. I can direct them to AirPlay. This is my Invite Students to Class button. I can create groups of students so that I'm giving them specific tasks to do. And then this would be if a student shared items with you. So that's just a general quick peek at how to get them into Apple Classroom. The next video, we'll talk about how to use it.